Hi there, this is Nicole from Right at Home, and today I'm going to give you a quick peek into the Quirky Acorns set from our fall release. Along the top of the screen you can see all the different acorn combinations that you can create using this set. All of them have a different bottom. There's 8 different bottoms included in this set, and then a few different tops that you can mix and match to create different looks. All of them vary in size and shape, so there's a lot of different options for you when you're creating a card design. All of the ink colors that I'm using here I will make sure to list in the description box below. One thing I love about this set is that it gives me the opportunity to use a ton of my different ink colors that I love, so I went through my stash before creating this video and was pulling out all of the different ink colors that I have a fall feel to them. And I even rediscovered some old favorites like this Fawn one. For this acorn, since it doesn't have a layer that goes on top, I decided to use an inking technique where I ink the top up with a lighter color and the bottom with a darker color so that it still has something different about it. This set has a really whimsical design to it, so I encourage you to pull out some different ink colors that might be a little bit non-traditional for fall. So like this acorn is using a pretty mustard yellow with a blue top. In addition to the different acorn tops and bottoms included in this set, there's also little pattern pieces like this triangle one that you can stamp over any of the designs, no matter what shape it is. So I used it on the blue one, and then I also used the little hash mark one on the yellow top. So it's just another way to add even more detail and color. As I finish up the last acorn here, you can see the full array of design options that you have with this set, as well as some different color combinations that you can use to bring them to life. Thank you so much for watching today's how-to video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to head over to rightathomeshop.com to download the coordinating stamping guide for this set, as well as to see the other new items from our fall release. Make sure to subscribe before you leave, and I hope you have a great day.